How to start a gutter cleaning business. This video is designed to help you plan and start a gutter cleaning business. At the end of the video you'll find a valuable gift. It's a quality business plan template that you can download and modify to prepare a professional business plan for your business. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. If you've been considering venturing into the world of entrepreneurship and want to provide a valuable service to homeowners, then this video is for you. Stick around as we walk you through the essential steps of setting up a successful gutter cleaning business. Let's get started. Part 1: Research and Planning. Before diving into any business, it's crucial to conduct thorough research and develop a solid plan. Here are a few key steps to get you started. Identify your target market. Determine your target market by analyzing the demographics of the area you plan to serve. Consider factors such as home density, average income, and the need for gutter cleaning services. Scope out the competition. Research existing gutter cleaning businesses in your area. Analyze their services, pricing, and customer reviews. This will help you understand the market and identify ways to differentiate yourself from the competition. Define your services. Decide on the range of services you will offer. This could include gutter cleaning, downspout maintenance, gutter repair, and gutter guard installation. Offering additional services can help you stand out and cater to a wider range of customer needs. Create a business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan that outlines your goals, target market, pricing strategy, marketing approach, and financial projections. A business plan serves as your roadmap and will help you stay focused as you build your business. Part 2: Setting up your business. Now that you have a solid plan, let's move on to setting up your business. Register your business. Choose a suitable business name and register it with the appropriate authorities. Check local regulations and obtain any necessary licenses or permits to operate legally. Insurance. As a gutter cleaning business, it's important to protect yourself and your customers. Consider obtaining liability insurance to cover any damages or accidents that may occur during your work. Purchase equipment and supplies. Invest in the necessary equipment and supplies for your business. This typically includes ladders, gutter cleaning tools, safety gear, and a reliable transportation method to reach customers' locations. Set up a professional image. Establishing a professional image is essential for attracting customers. Create a visually appealing logo, design business cards, and develop a user-friendly website. These elements will help you build trust with potential clients. Part 3: Marketing and Operations. Now that your business is set up, let's discuss marketing and operational strategies. Develop a marketing plan. Identify effective marketing channels to promote your business. Consider strategies such as online advertising, social media marketing, local directories, and referrals. Create engaging content that educates homeowners about the importance of gutter maintenance. Build relationships. Networking and building relationships with real estate agents, property managers, and local contractors can lead to valuable referrals. Attend industry events, join local business organizations, and actively participate in online communities to expand your network. Offer outstanding customer service. Providing exceptional customer service is key to retaining clients and gaining referrals. Be responsive, punctual, and go the extra mile to ensure customer satisfaction. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews and testimonials. Optimize your operations. Streamline your operations to maximize efficiency. Develop a systematic approach to scheduling appointments, organizing client information, and tracking your finances. Consider investing in software tools that can help automate and simplify these tasks. Conclusion: you're now equipped with the knowledge to start your own gutter cleaning business. Remember, success requires dedication, hard work, and a commitment to excellence. Always prioritize customer satisfaction and continuously adapt and improve your services to stay ahead of the competition. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below. As we conclude this video, it's time you get your free business plan template. Go to the description below this video to get it now. It is completely free, no strings attached.